Alright, so midway through pulling the motor, my boy Kenny came through. You guys know him, Rice Truck. He's the man on YouTube. He's got these low ass fucking mini trucks. Damn, here it is.
Take mini trucks and try to drift them.
Yeah, he does fucking crazy ass shit. He's the man. You guys should remember him from the video he bought my Hardbody. Those are these the wheels from it?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. That's actually
the same
so funny.
tires.
Same tires. That's fucking hysterical.
I figured out why the other one wasn't holding air. It's like I de-beaded it, and I see like previous owner probably like tore it up trying to put them on. So I just used like a shit ton of bead sealer, and it holds air now, but there's a bubble. Oh, tire. Yeah, and I'm currently driving it on it. It's in the back.
Oh my god.
It's on the inside.
Oh, nice. You like reverse it?
Yeah, I put a bucket seat in. Put a S13 short shifter, and then a weighted Samurai handle.
That's sick.
Holy shit, dude.
Yeah. This whole dashboard came off of your truck.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Yeah.
Dude, this truck looks really cool. This is what my truck would have been if we kept it. Like, that's so funny.
I'm actually so jealous.
Yeah, I'm honestly jealous, man. This is really fucking cool.
Was it like the previous owner that had the truck before you guys? I don't know what's up with that guy. Like,
yeah, dude,
all the leaf springs are broken. The wheel studs are like messed up. So when I tried to put a wheel back in, the stud just fell right out. Like without any effort. That thing was just not safe to drive.
Yeah, I feel you, bro.
But I still have it for parts and stuff.
Yeah, that truck was kind of sketchy, bro. Like, dude, the frame was clean on it. You probably saw that, right? Yeah, it was funny, right?
Like, this one has no frame rot, but the other truck it's so much better, the frame. It's been painted too.
Dude, this is
so much better.
This is so cool. Yeah, yo, you want to bring the light back over here? Oh, I fucked with this thing.
Is that the tailgate?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the old tailgate from you guys.
Oh my god, bro.
Same thing with the, yeah, this is also from the parts truck too.
That's so funny. This is like so nostalgic. Honestly, like this is literally what my truck would have been. Alright, so I'm with my boy Kenny right now. We're in the Hardbody. I'm sitting on a fucking toolbox. There's no passenger seat. Yeah. We're about to just go do a quick lap or something like that. So you guys will fucking see that.
That's just an exhaust leak.
Damn,
you
this
have
is like a stock exhaust.
So does the camera go with the lighting or no?
It's picking up some light, you know? But I can make it work in the editing.
Like that?
Oh, that's perfect. There we go.
Alright. Anywhere else I can do like a pull?
Yeah, there's like a main road you can like make a left on.
Make a left here?
Yeah.
At the light, at the stop sign?
Yeah.
Alright. I should probably get my GoPro out. Alright, so yeah, we got our friend right here.
My mic just fucking fell off.
But he really wants to take a ride in this thing. I'm not gonna do any hooning because we got stuff here, and there's no seat.
Yeah.
I still haven't figured out the seat.
So I'm just sitting on a toolbox. I got a seatbelt though, so I look legit at least.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do some pulls for him. Hopefully I got a good angle with this thing.
You're good on the right.
Go left.
Yep. In the back.
we have two hard body doors and a hood in the back. Is that a cop?
Where?
Right there. Oh shit, look at him.
Oh, look at that.
Oh shit. Look at that. Oh. Right there.
Well, welcome to fucking Wisconsin. That's just how we do it.
Okay.
This isn't, oh, what is it, a fire or something?
I don't know. This is some good footage for your channel.
Yeah, exactly, right?
Yeah.
What is going on?
Alright.
And then here, there's a road right here you're gonna make it right onto. It's coming up.
Alright.
Yeah, right here.
Should I do a pull right in front of all of those?
Yeah, why not? There's no cops here yet.
Alright. Wait, let me just wait for the stop sign. I'm gonna do a little launch. Not That is great.
And make it right here.
Another stop sign?
Yeah, it loops around, you know?
Okay.
Stop sign.
I'd probably get dent the hood or some shit.
And then you just make like the left, and then it's gonna be the first right, and then we're back on the road we came from.
All right.
After this car you did on the right. Then it's the first right.
Just had the light.
Right here, no, right here, right here. Ooh.
Oh, I straight that. Oh, fuck. The clutch pedal is so loose. There's a pin that holds it is just so worn out. I have to lift it up the back of my foot.
Really?
Yeah, that's why it doesn't always go in. I had to change that.
And then like we're right back where you were.
Oh, there's a spot here. Maybe we could just do. Yeah. It's not that bad.
Oh yeah, my neighbors are gonna love me now.
Alright.
Alright, that was fucking Kenny. You guys should definitely check him out and subscribe. His link will be below.
Look at me, I'm booted and nasty, talking down out of stupid bitch, looking for a stupid lick. You really knew that this been on my bullshit, Gucci linen.